In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Quick disclaimer before we begin, to set up face recognition you need to have your passcode on. If you don't have it already on your device, you need to set it up or you won't be able to add your face data. When you're ready and you have your passcode, go into settings. Now scroll to click on Face ID and passcode here. Then enter your current passcode to continue. And tap on Setup Face ID available here. Personally, I always use it on my iPhone because it's really easy to unlock it faster. So I would recommend at least trying it. Then hit Get Started, keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait. If you want to use Face ID with a mask, you need to scroll down and then hit Use Face ID with a mask to add your face data with a mask on. If you don't, you can tap on Don't Use Face ID with a mask or simply hit Setup later and do it wherever you want to. Then you need to hit Done. And make sure this switcher next to iPhone Unlock is on. If it's not green, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Additionally, you can click on those two switches next to iTunes and App Store and password autofill to let them be accessed after scanning your face. Following that, hit Setup an alternative appearance if you want to add your face recognition again, especially if you often change styles. This way, it will always work no matter how you look. But now, let's finally test it. I will lift my phone, switch off my screen, and turn it back on. And as you can see, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!